Here is the start of the Firkin, and I've just steam bent this banding, and I need to, this is the long banding down here at the bottom, and I need to wrap it around here. I've got a line that shows me where it goes. Now, if I can get this underneath here, and pull this in. Oh. I'm gonna pull it up higher, so the is less up here, higher. This comes around. I'd like to get it tighter than that. I'm going to pull it up even further so that I'm sure. What I wish is that I'm going to mark where the end is, where the overlap is, and I'm just going to go a little bit tighter than that. A little bit tighter than that. About 1/4 of an inch tighter than that. And then I'm going to nail that. And let me pull the bench. See if, now, I'm going to move the camera up closer here and show you the tacking process. So I'm gonna put that about 1/4 of an inch longer see if that'll work. And then there's 3 of them over here. This is walnut. The staves in the Firkin are actually old growth redwood. So this isn't going to match exactly with the redwood. I think that'll be okay. I'm going to see if I can put this around the Firkin. And then use a steel banding to try to pull that in. Oh, wow, that is higher, a lot higher than I expected it to be. Now, how do I get it down? I'm gonna do a little, see if I can use a different yeah. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. I'm going to knock the back down a little bit. I think that's pretty good.